So we are changing to, or I'm changing to RHI Magnesita. Probably on the first slide a short story, because you might come around with it. We have been two different companies, and we've been merged half a year? No, couple of months into one company. So you might find in the proposal, you will find RHI and Magnesita as two different companies. But now we have been merged and now we are one company. So that's the framework, and therefore you might find two different companies in the probably, I hope not anymore on the web page, but
I hope too.
But yeah, it's as it is in the, of course, in the proposal. We cannot change it because it's written, it has been approved, and there we will.
This is one.
Here it is, right? I've already found it. Here it is. Although you can just read RHI, but we are RHI Magnesita. Yeah, we are produce our refractory materials. We are starting from our raw materials that we are taking from our mines, or of course from other companies also. And we are producing different kinds of refractory materials. We are working on the raw materials. We have to change their shape, their consistency. We are preparing bricks that we are either firing, heat treated, which are not fired, for example carbon bonded bricks, and then we are having fired bricks which are heat treated to a higher amount, and then we also have mixes, unshaped products, which are essential refractory concretes. So here are some of the materials that we are providing. Yeah, bricks, quite easy. Mixes, which are casted or mixed with water and then casted. And we are also having functional products, which are small pieces for dedicated purposes. Within here, we are having a steel ladle, a slide gate system, a pan dish, which is used to distribute the steel in a continuous casting process. We are having, again, different systems here, and then you are having this glowing strand of solid iron that is coming down out of this process. Again, we are applying or using our materials in a lot of different industries with very different challenges. If you are having something that should last for 20 minutes, you are having a very different profile as you would like to have 10 years of time for your aggregate, even more in some aggregates. Yeah, some figures, but they are just in the slide. Yeah, and some of you will visit us in our, or hopefully all of you will visit us in the Technology Center in a site visit. Then you will get some more information about this location, but some of you will also stay there for 3 months. And that's our research center, that's the building. Yeah, that's used to be the centralized research, but now we are having 4 different research centers, but that's that one that you will visit. We are having a lot of different investigation methods, of course, available, cover mineralogy, chemistry and physics, and depending on your topic, you will have to work with in this area. Yeah, we are also not having small lab samples, but we can also work with bigger things. For example, this is a furnace for testing the corrosion. And yeah, That's our research center, and I'm sure you will get some more information about this. Modeling and simulation is, of course, also a topic at our research center. Also, on the for Magnesita side, we're having very interesting things now. Lucas has a lot of knowledge about this. And yeah, that's it about RHI Magnesita.